Okay, cut it here. This one. Yeah. Gauge you use 18 gauge and 26 gauge we use 18 and 26 gauge, two sides. Use 18 gauge for the ring band, the thick one, and use the 26 gauge for the wrapper wire. 龙虾扣黑的13号和15号各帮我包一包。KEL, are you still here? You are asked for the design. I'm here making now. KEL. I'm not sure if you are here still. Yes, that's good. Okay. So we cut it two piece the wire in about 10 centimeter. It will be a big size, but actually like 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, all okay. If your ring is small size. Okay, Yanni. Yeah, thank you for understanding my type. It's okay. Yeah, we are a shop sell the bulk materials and also the free tutorial. And here we go. We start to wrap. We go to wrap a very simple way for the ring band. Here, you can wrap it two, and two, then two. It's like this. Here, two. It means two time on one wire, two time on two wire, then two, and two. Of course, this way will be look small. Left and right looks the same. Here, left and right look different. Here, you see, my top finger pull it tight. My top finger pull it tight. So each time you have to wrap it tight so that you can make the ring band neat and tight. So it's nice. Two. Then use your top finger here, the wire here. Then use your top finger to pull, so it can be tight. This way you can make it nice. Have a good rest, Yoni. Two. Wrap here, wrap two, wrap tight, wrap here, wrap tight here. If you are make the size in size 8 or size 9, you just wrap the ring for here at about 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter long for the wrapper part. Here. This. So if we wrap it 6 centimeter each side, we will make 2.8. It's 2.5. It's okay because we need to make the like the last loop. So I just make a 2.5. It's okay. Here we done 1, 2, 1, 2. Here. Then get a bead. Maybe can be, if you feel this bead size, okay, you 3 millimeters. Can use this is not a freshwater pro, it's a glass pro. Here, let it be a little bit up, not tight here, touch the band, let it be a little bit up, then fold it. Okay. See? Tight here. Then we will go start to wrap here by this. You can also do like this way. From both sides it work. String the small beads. 2 millimeter beads. It's 2 millimeter beads. I maybe put 9 piece. It just a test how many piece the beads. Okay, let me see the picture you sent. Yanni Burton, the picture I've not show. Viking knot, and you put some loops. I want to see the back. Need to see the back. Let's see the back. Yanni. Yanni already go. Yeah. But it's okay. We show her picture. We can see. Sabine, I received your email. Freshwater Pro, not this one, the Glass Pro. Glass Pro. Okay, here. Here you need to tight. Here, tight it. Then wrap. It's waiting. Let's just waiting. Seems the picture too big. If some don't have the 8 millimeter Pro, maybe it's the Freshwater Pro. WA message here, I can't check at this moment. I go live by the phone. That's I have the WA there. I have to check it after my live. If something you want me to check now, here. This. You said you have a problem or make this, but I think you make it good. Okay. Let me check if I have the Pro. Handmade this. The Glass Pro. Glass Pro, this, not a Freshwater Pro. 3 millimeter price 4.9 one string. 4.9 one string for the 3 millimeter. 4.9. This one. Okay. This the Glass Pro, the quality is good. You don't worry about the skin drop away after a long time. Here. If you want to make 3 flowers here, just make the same step. Make the same step here. One, two. Here, 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah. Let's see. It's 2. We will wrap a 2.5. If I'm missing some question, it seems in my mind I forgot to reply some question, but I can't remember. If you ask the question and I forgot to reply to you, just type again, dear. Okay, so this is one piece the flower. Then cut here about 8mm left. 8mm left. Here. It's an adjustable ring. Okay, this one is like a level 2. Yeah, 2-star or 3-star technique for the hard, like a 3-star. Next one we go to make a 2-star. 5-star is the hard. This one is like a 5-star. Okay, here it's going to be a size 8. Okay, size 8. Okay, a cute flower. We finished. Those fresh wood. No, glass pearl. Glass pearl. Not fresh wood. Glass pearl. The price for the glass pearl is $4.9. Yeah, 3mm. 3mm. The skin of the white color will not be drop away after you use it. My older customer, most they got this because we sell it for many different size in last end of the year. We have many different sizes for this, and we use it to develop some design before. Okay, so this one we done for the silver. Next, the ring. The ring is the eye ring. Yeah, before the eye ring we make a S ring, S-drop ring.